Welcome to Kryptonite. My name is Ife, and in this video, I am going to give you an update on the Bitcoin price and on altcoins. Before I start, I just created a Telegram channel. Link will be in the description of this video, so you can join for future updates on analysis such as this. Now, let's get back to the video. This is the price chart of Bitcoin, and I would have to bring up my lines. Right now, Bitcoin is struggling with this resistance, this green line. This is a trend line that has been coming in since May at around this level right here. So if Bitcoin breaks this trend line, then it could go higher from here. For right now, as you can see, it is struggling with the trend line. It hasn't broken it yet. So we would have to watch and see what is going to happen in a few hours from now. Because once the price fully breaks this trend line, it could go straight to 44,000 from here. So I am going to be looking at this trend line closely. There's something you need to know. For the past few days, altcoins have not been rallying that much, and I am going to show you what is going to happen before a massive rally in altcoins. Now let's go over to the Bitcoin dominance. This is the Bitcoin dominance. Let's bring out the oscillators. If you look closely, the oscillator on the Bitcoin dominance is right now overbought. What this means is that as long as the Bitcoin dominance is at this level, then altcoins would either go sideways or down. But if this price chart starts to correct and you see that the oscillator is going down to the oversold region, then altcoins could rally from there. But for now, as this chart keeps going up, altcoins are not going to be moving that much. I'm also keeping an eye on this. I have some few altcoin trades I would love to jump into, because once it starts correcting, it is a very good time to trade altcoins. But right now, the best coin to trade is Bitcoin, because Bitcoin for now decides where the overall market is going to. Before we wrap up this video, let's go over to the Ethereum price chart. There is a pattern forming right now in the chart. This is the Ethereum price chart. As you can see, there is a symmetrical triangle forming right now in the chart. If this triangle breaks out to the downside, then we could see a massive fall to the downside. But a triangle like this is always neutral. That means it could break to the upside or to the downside. Now let's calculate the price target. For we to do that, we'd have to draw a line from this resistance to the support. If Ethereum breaks down from this level, then it could go straight to $1,683. But when it breaks to the upside, you would have to take this to the point of breakout. This will be the target of $3,563. Right now for Ethereum, there is downward pressure, as you can see. Ethereum has not been performing. Even when Bitcoin has been going to the upside, Ethereum has just been going sideways and downwards. Right now there is pressure to the downside, as you can see, but the downside is not confirmed yet, because once Ethereum starts closing a 4-hour candle below this resistance at 2,442, then the downside to me would be confirmed. So I am going to be looking at this chart closely, understand, because once there is confirmation either to the upside or to the downside, you have to be ready as a trader to place your orders. Either you want to long or you want to short, you have to be ready. So right now I am going to be strategizing, cooking up my orders, watching this price chart like a hawk, because this could be a life-changing trade. This is going to be it for this short video. I truly hope you enjoy this kind of content, and if you do, you can leave a like or try subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.